My name's Kayla Warbianski, and I am an environmental manager in the Watershed Assessment and Planning branch. Hello. I'm an aquatic biologist, and I do fish community surveys in streams and rivers across the state for water quality monitoring. So June through October, we're in the field conducting these surveys. We'll do 3 to 5 sites a day. I do really enjoy my job. I think it's hard to pick just one aspect of my job that I like. I really do love being outside. I've always had an affinity for the natural world, especially streams, rivers, and lakes. Usually people think of IDEM and they think of it just as a regulatory agency, but there is this Watershed Assessment and Planning branch portion of it where we're out collecting the data, doing the field work that informs some policy decisions. So I think this work is really important because water is a huge resource for the living organisms, and I think everyone deserves to have good water quality, and so we're out here doing all this monitoring to ensure that we can tell people, you know, this stream or river is healthy.
White sucker.
White sucker. I think this job really applies to people with biology or environmental science majors that enjoy being outside and working as part of a team towards a common goal. And when it comes to IDEM, it's a great place to work.